Hey Richard, John Young, 109 Cypress. It is the 19th of June at about 11 o'clock. Some pretty major storms. I'm getting flooded in my window well and in my basement. As you can see, the water's coming up the channel and down, plus out the bottom of the channel into the French drain. I've got some water coming in along the bottom. On the other hand, the other window is dry on the outside. I know that's not a great look. Nothing here. And the very tiniest amount of water trickling in at the bottom. That's very doable. These are pretty aggressive storms. We'll see what this does over the next hour or so, but I wanted you to see that unfortunately the right window is now the window that's driving the hardest with water coming up the well.